Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Nel-B Life. It's a Thursday evening and I'm on my way to check out Bike Nite at Health's Bar and Grill. It's in East Charlotte off of Independence Boulevard. It's a beautiful night and I thought it would be a perfect time to take a ride out and check out the action that's going on. A friend of mine told me about it and he'll probably be here tonight, so let's see what's going on. It's around 7:30 in the evening, and there are a good number of people already here. Let's check out the bikes and folks, see who's here. They also have free food. Saw the grill smoking and people with plates, so I'm not sure what they're serving, but we'll find out later. Here at Health's Bar and Grill on Bike Night Thursday, East Charlotte. Let's check out and see what's going on. Still daylight, just looks like a good little crowd going on. The restaurant has a nice wide open parking lot and a lot of spaces, so I broke out the drone to take it up and get an area view. This spot has a lot of room to expand. It was a nice crowd, but it wasn't too crowded, so it was easy to get around. Very nice. Thursday night again, and they have preseason football on, and every screen has the Steelers, Pittsburgh Steelers on. I also see my neighbor Sauce, who's also a rider, so he's hanging out. This must be the spot for the Steelers fans. Being a Cowboy fan, I won't stay in here too long. Well, I had a good time at the Bike Night. Time to ride home. It's a beautiful evening. Nice, warm, very comfortable. So I'm riding back through Uptown and then head northwest to my home.